show you one of the best product research tool which you can use for your Amazon FBA. This product research tool is going to give you a good chance of getting the right product niche which you can sell on Amazon FBA. Now this tool is called AMZScout. With this tool, you can use it to research products on any niche. This tool, you can avoid risky products and you can maximize your success rate on Amazon FBA and while keeping inventory at low cost. So follow me onto this journey. Let me show you how these tools work. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and make sure you share this video as well. Let's head down there. How to find a winning product to sell on Amazon. In this video, I'll give you 3 steps to finding a product to sell on Amazon right now. Each of you will be able to find a profitable product with me while using these simple steps. We are going to do this by using the AMZScout, a great product research set of tools that I find super accurate and helpful. If you want to find out more about this product, you can click right there in the description below, and I recommend you to follow the link to start this process with 3 simple steps to find your product. Step 1 of finding your product. Let's go finding the product idea. You already know the main criteria you should pay attention to when choosing a product. Now let's find some product idea. For this one, I will open the first tools in the bundle, which is the product database. If you don't have any idea of what to sell or which category to choose, this is the right tools to start with. First of all, let's choose a marketplace. I'm choosing United States. You can choose the marketplace over there. It does support all this market. Next, you can choose a category. If you have any preferences, I'll search you all 24 categories. Using the filter, we'll find a product idea of in all 24 categories. You can choose the price, weight, number of sellers, and so on. Please apply this criteria that you prefer. But I'll choose the price ranging from $20 to $40. The monthly sales from more than 300. Number of sellers from 4 to 30, and the weight less than 2 kilograms. And boom, you will see the list of great product ideas that meet your criteria, and you can estimate sales, LQS, and check rank, and so on, and everything needed for for choosing the product. Let's then choose any product idea you like. For example, I like this one. I don't want to spend my time searching for the product every day, so here is another amazing. I'll add it to the tracker and track it every day. Step 1 is completed. It's only a few minutes. We already have a great product idea. You know that's successful. Find a product idea is completed at that instant. Step 2, check the product idea. Right now, let's open the AMZScout Pro extension. You should download it from Google Chrome as well. First of all, you can choose the exact column that you need and remove all those that you don't need. Here we can see a lot of data, estimated sales, margins, rank, price, and everything you need to analyze the product. To make the product even faster, the guys from AMZScout have developed a score for each product, specifically for resellers, and an explanation of why this product is good or not for reselling based on demand and competition and margin. You can also see the full history of sales, rank, price of each product for a necessary period of time. You can also easily calculate your profit, taking into account product cost and any other additional costs. Let's put the product cost at $8 and other costs at $3 and see what it shows. We see a total FBA fee, profit per unit, margin, return of investment, and monthly profit. That's super helpful, you know. To check the products you like, even more specifically for your type of business, you can open another tool that was developed for those who do online arbitrage, dropshipping, and wholesale. This tool helps calculate your profit margin and check the competition. You can download it from Google Chrome as well. Let's try this tool for now. For example, you can type these products out there and you can see, you can choose one. First of all, it shows you which type of seller sells and whether Amazon sells it. Luckily not, Amazon doesn't sell it. Whether it's private label sells it. Unfortunately, that's a private label product. Who has the buy box, profit margin, net profit, and many other things. You can see it now, and now you can change the number in each box to calculate your potential profit. It also tells you if it's a graded product, if it is trademarked, or if it is handled. What's also really impressive is that they also have rank prices and buy box history. This way you can easily analyze a product specifically for dropshipping or online arbitrage and find a winning product for this type of business. So using the Pro extension and dropshipping or online arbitrage tool, we've completed step 2. We'll find step 3, find keyword for PPC. You may want to find keyword for PPC. The perfect fit for that is the ASIN lookup, where you find keyword using the ASIN. I really love that. Let's put an ASIN of any product. For example, this one. Let's put it down right now, and the number of keywords are 225. Here we go, and boom, as easy as that. Keyword are found. Step 3 is completed. And also, if you find these tools as helpful as I do, make sure you follow the link down below. And now you have seen the tool which you can use to find the best and winning product to sell on Amazon FBA. Now with this tool and its extension, it's very effective, and using this tool very well, like I've explained in that video, you get a high success rate in your Amazon FBA journey. Now, if you want to get this tool, make sure you head down to the link in the description center below and use that link to subscribe. Use it to get your own premium version of this AMZScout, which you are going to use for your Amazon FBA product research, which is going to give you the best winning tool for your Amazon FBA. And this tool is very easy to use. There's nothing difficult in using it. The Amazon Pro extension is very unique. You see how I installed it in my browser, in my Chrome browser in the video, the AMZscout Chrome extension. That's what I'm talking about. Very easy. Just install it in your browser and boom, you use it. And meanwhile, make sure you drop a like in this video. Make sure you subscribe if you find any value in this video I've just made, and make sure you share as well. See you on the next one. Thanks.